Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today we'll be unboxing this smart robot sweeping robot. As you can see, this is the box. It comes in three colors. We have black, white and yellow. I bought the white version. I like white. And as you can see, this is the box. We have instruction here. You can pause if you want to check them out. Then let us see the specification. We have some little specification here, like it sucks and sweep. It has a button to start. We have a USB for charging. Then we have long-lasting battery. Then we have a powerful suction, and we don't have anything else. Let's check the battery, if there's somewhere where it's written the battery power. Yes, then here it's the battery. Then it says that the manufacturer says that it is 300 mAh battery, which works at 3.7 volts. Charging time is 100 to 200 minutes. Then working hour is 20 minutes. Then we have some the item itself. Dimension is 180 by 180 by 50 millimeters. So guys, this is the box. So let us open and see what is inside. So guys, wow, this is the robot itself, but for what I can see, we have some words here. Even on this side we have some sweeping robot, but we don't have anything here. And as you can, then let's see what we have again. So we have this, don't know if it's a filter or some sort. Then we have a charging cable. As you can see, we have this one, but this, I don't think this we will find somewhere else. They could have just included a micro USB for charging, because it's common. Like this one, finding this one or somewhere else is very difficult. But anyway, they just included this one, but it's not that common. So if you lose this one, you will have to find somewhere else where you can find this one. Then we have this one. So this is the sweeping robot. They call it the sweeping robot. We have the button here for on and off. We have the sweeping, what do we call this one, the sweeping things, I don't know, it's true. Then we have the direction. This is the motor. It rotates like this. Then we have some wheels here. And then I don't think we have, yes, we have the port here where you have to insert your charging cable. Then this one opens, you can open like this. As you can see, this is where the trash comes. Then we have the replacement. You can replace this with the one which we have seen. This one, you can replace it with this one if this one get congested or if it is dirty. So just turning on is just simple as pressing this button like this. As you can see, it is rotating. So guys, let us go ahead and try it out and see how it looks like. Let us close this one. Now guys, as you can see, we have some dirt here. So let us see how it can work. So as you can see, let's see if it can rotate. As you can see, it's working. Yes. Wow, it's working very nice. but it's so loud. As you can hear, guys, this thing is so loud. You cannot miss it. It's very, very loud. So I thought it will be somehow quiet, but it's very, very loud. So I don't think if you can tolerate this at your house. It's just something you just switch it on and just leave it for the rest of the day when you are out. But just saying that you just use it while you are working, or maybe while you are at home, it will disturb you very much. It is very loud. So for me, I don't think I can recommend it, because but first let us see if it has collected some of the dirt. So let us switch it on. Stop running. Yes, now let's see if it has collected any dirt. Wow, check this one out. Wow, so it is really working. As you can see, guys, it has collected some of the dust and I don't know, sand and some of the dirt, and the place is not that clean, but it is at least not the way it was before. So guys, it's not that bad, I can say, but what I can say is don't expect much when you are using this, because it is very small. It is very so don't expect that much, because it is very small. So for checking it out, as you can see, not that big, large, so don't expect that much. But for what I can see, it does somehow does the job, but don't expect that much. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, don't forget to comment below, and I'll catch you on my next one.